Hello everyone and welcome back to Matchbox Memories. Today we're going to have a look at this 5-pack and 9-pack from 2024. The 9-pack, we have seen most of the vehicles before. I basically purchased it for the exclusive vehicle, which is a Mercedes Unimog. And this is a brand spanking new 2024 5-pack called Coffee Cruises 5 for 2024. So quick review, unboxing, and then off, as always, a review and comparison with some of the other models that I do have in my collection. So without any further ado, let's start off by having a look at this 9-pack. I'm just gonna change the setting on my camera so we can see things better. So there's a 9-pack, guys. That is the exclusive vehicle, which we will look at in detail. We have seen all these other vehicles before, so I'm not going to spend too much time on them. I will just quickly show it on camera and move right along onto the 5-pack. And just a quick look at the box itself. Standard Matchbox design that they've had for the last 3 or 4 years in the 9-pack line, which Matchbox looks like they're getting away from. They've gone from 10 packs to 9 packs, and then from 9 packs now they're doing 8 packs. So the price seems fairly similar, but you just keep getting fewer and fewer cars. So anyways, I'll open that up and we'll have a look at these vehicles. So there it is, guys, out of its package. We will go through these cars or vehicles very quickly and then have a look at the exclusive vehicle. All right, first 3 vehicles. Got none of them are licensed. This one is called the MBX Backhoe. We have seen it before. It does have a moving part, unlicensed. This absolutely horrific helicopter that they keep throwing into the various 5 and 9 packs, or at least the various 9 packs, which I probably have 7 of now, and definitely not looking to collect any more of them in any shape, in any color, in any kind of livery. And then this water hauler, which isn't bad, it's called Water Worker. Once again, another repeat. We've seen it before. Not going to spend too much time on them. So the next 5 vehicles, first being this 2018 Renault Kangoo with the Goodyear livery. Seen this one before as well. Not a bad vehicle. We saw this in a 5-pack. This is MBX 4x4. I always want to say it's a Jeep, but I always have to remind myself that this is not a licensed vehicle. It is with this Warn livery, and from memory, Warn does winches, etc. And we've seen it before. It came in a 5-pack in 2023. It was actually a Warn 5-pack. All the vehicles in there had the same livery. Next, we have another Tesla. I'm sort of getting fed up of adding these different colored Teslas into my collection. They all look so similar, it's hard to distinguish one from the next. This is the Tesla Model S. I mean, it's a nice enough car. Matchbox has just done them for way too long now. Well designed, looks good. Just got too many of them in my collection. We've seen this one in many 5-packs and 9-packs. The 2011 Mini Cooper. They definitely need to come up with some different liveries for this vehicle. Actually a well-designed vehicle. Just lazy. Keep repeating the same models, Matchbox. Stop doing that. And then we've also seen this in the main line, this Audi TT, 2019 Audi TT RS. Not a bad set of cars, but if you're a collector like me, you've already got all these in your collection. So these are just duplication, smart marketing by Matchbox, because they know if you want to get this exclusive, you have to buy the other 8 vehicles that you have no interest in. So just to give you guys a bit of feedback, so this is the exclusive vehicle. This is, what's the exact model of this? So it's called the Mercedes-Benz Unimog U300 from 2006. Bird Farms. Nice little vehicle. Now these retail for about $20 Canadian. You can't find them. The 9-packs are no longer carried by Walmart in Vancouver. So the only place you can really find them are at Toys R Us. They're quite expensive, $19.99 plus tax. I was fortunate enough to get this on sale on Amazon for something like $12 Canadian. I still think it's overpriced for this one vehicle, but I really wanted it in my collection, so I did get it. And just for comparison's sake, a couple of other Unimogs that I have in my collection. I do have more of them, but these are the two that I have displayed and were easy to get access to. So this is from the Rannoch line. From memory, I think it was also from I think it was from a 5-pack as well. But there it is, and this is the latest Unimog from the Matchbox Collector series. So this one's got the rubber tires and all the bells and whistles, fully detailed. Look how good it looks. It's quite a cute little vehicle there. And that's it for the 9-pack, guys, and we will move on to the 5-pack. All right, so here is the 5-pack Coffee Cruisers 5. Quick look at the vehicles from the outside. There's the packaging. The 32 Ford, I think it's a 32 Ford. Sorry, 1932 Ford is the highlighted model on the packaging. There are the various licenses. It is from 2023 Mattel. And I'm gonna open it up and we will have a look at the vehicles in this box and then also compare them to some of the previous models that Matchbox has had in its lineup. So I've opened it up, guys. The first car is here. It is a Dodge Challenger. I love this vehicle. I think it's really nice. Fantastic casting, fully done. Front, rear, all detailed. Beautiful blue with a black interior, left-hand drive. Dodge Challenger. Beautiful. I've got a few of these in my collection and we will look at them all. So give me a second while I get those. So I got them all out, guys. I'm not sure if I'm missing any, but I have 10 different versions of this vehicle now. And I'm not going to spend too much time on them individually, but just want you guys to see them all. You can see the first 3 have basically the same livery. Different sets of wheels, as you can see. And then we have it in purple. We have this sort of goldish color. I think that was a 9-pack exclusive, if I'm not wrong. We have it this leaf green, 2 different oranges. I don't know if you can capture that on camera, but those are definitely 2 different oranges. One's more metallic, one's a flat orange. And then we have it in yellow. And the beauty about all these cars are that they are all fully detailed. So no side liveries, but as you can see, the front and back are done. All right, next up we have the 1965 Mustang GT in this metallic emerald green, or as Matchbox likes to call it, metal flake emerald green. So lots of livery on the side and top of the vehicle, but lights are not detailed, unfortunately. Black interior, left-hand drive. Cream base, 65 Mustang GT. And I have a few of these in my collection. I was able to pull them all out, so we'll just have a quick look at them. All different, same vehicle, different colors. And the Christmas version. Okay, so these are the ones I have in my collection. Those two are actually very similar, just slight shade variations, but they are from quite different years. Just to show you the manufacturing dates, this is C28 and this one is, what is that? I think it's L. Also looks like a C, so maybe it is from the same year. Or one is slightly damaged, as you can see. But different shades of red on the 2 vehicles. And then same vehicle with the gold stripes And then this one's from that Christmas 5-pack from a few years ago. It says Happy Holidays on it. Quite a nice vehicle. And then finally, I just wanted to show you this other Mustang. This is actually a Hot Wheels vehicle, different Mustang. Doesn't actually have the model on there, but just similar livery to the Matchbox one we just looked at. Similar color, similar livery, so I just thought I'd pull it out and show it to you guys as a comparison. This is a 1932 Ford Coupe R model. 1932 Ford Coupe Model R with the beautiful Moon Eyes livery. This is just gorgeous. Love this casting. Fantastic livery, good color scheme, well designed. Got a few different versions of this vehicle in my collection now. That's the Chase. Don't want to spend too much time on these guys. We have seen them all before, as you can see. That's the Chase 70th anniversary. It has SC, which stands for Super Chase, on there, and that's the version in yellow. And then we saw, I forget the name of this model. It's also a Ford, 1935 Ford, in the same livery, and they look great together next to each other. And then we also have the same livery but in black and yellow. These two vehicles are premiums with rubber tires, as you can see. Don't want to spend too much time on it, guys, so there they are. That is my collection of Ford Coupes. Another vehicle that I actually really like collecting is this Ford Pano van. So the official title is 1955 Ford F100 Panel Delivery Van. Rock and roll one-man show, rockabilly, doo-wop, and strolls. Good detailing. Unfortunately, the front is not detailed and it has this ugly grey plastic on it. It's a nice car, nice vehicle. Then I have several versions of that, which we will quickly look at as well. Finally, the premium version. So there they are, guys, fairly quickly here. These are all from, I think these are mostly from 5 or 9 packs, multi-packs. And then the final one here is from the Matchbox Collectors line. It's got the rubber wheels. And we saw it in a recent video, so just a quick recap. Look at that, beautiful, fully detailed, except for the front. But it looks good because it's got this chrome grille on it. Hard to get these, quite collectible. And I think there's quite a few that I still need to collect and add to my collection. Okay, the last vehicle up is this 1963 Cadillac Ambulance. Front's not detailed. Ambulance Medivac. It's a nice casting. And then I have a few different versions of it in my collection. We'll have a quick look at them. Two more. Once again, we've seen them all before. Just a quick recap. Adding the new one to the collection. And then because I got my Cadillac Ambulances out, I figured I would get my Cadillac Hearse. I have two of them. Got both Hearse out, and we'll have a quick look at those as well. Those go for some serious money on eBay now. Hard to find, but just absolutely gorgeous vehicles. Oh, and then of course I forgot to show you guys that one there as well. This is the one with the Canadian livery. It's really, really nice. I think this one's from the municipality of Peel, and you can see the Canadian flag there. And I've been looking at my analytics on YouTube, and I am told that I do have a lot of Canadian followers. And just in case you are a Canadian collector and you're wondering what other Canadian Matchbox vehicles are out there, well, technically these are all American vehicles, but they have Canadian livery. So there's an RCMP vehicle. There's that ambulance we just looked at with the municipality of Peel on it. Another RCMP vehicle. I actually custom drew in the headlights on that because it looks a bit bare. And then this is another municipality of Peel paramedics vehicle. Once again, the front's not done, so I took a pen to it and filled it out myself. I think it looks a lot better with the lights. I'd have to drill it out to get the grill done, but I haven't done that yet, so this one's still in the works. And then this is another Canadian municipality of Peel paramedics ambulance, and we also did see the Dodge Ram in the moving parts series, which I didn't pull, but that's also another Canadian vehicle. Anyway, so that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, please do hit the like button on YouTube, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.